بما آسودم خندن پیشما هردم خدا بما آسودم خندن پیشما هردم لکنه بردا دفنم آواتم بفیدنم لکنه بردا دفنم آواتم بفیدنم ایمه کستو چالاکین پیشنگین و بباکین ایمه کستو چالاکین پیشنگین و بباکین چرادا دگرسنین ندانین لابن دینین چرادا دگرسنین ندانین لابن دینین کتابخانه مالمانه خزانی دوامانه کتابخانه مالمانه خزانی دوامانه.
Hello everyone, I hope you all be fine and healthy. I'm Ms. Jakau. Today I'm going to talk about present continuous in grade 3, Sunrise, okay? But before we start to present continuous, I would like to talk about present simple to remember you and to review the lesson. Let me say what's present simple and when we use present simple. We use present simple for an action that's happening right now. And the rule of present simple is subject, verb, complement. Let me show you present simple. Okay, present simple. We have three types of different types of present simple. We have positive forms, negative forms, and question forms. Today I will explain just positive forms and negative forms. For example, positive forms. Positive. Positive, we have the rule of positive. Let me write the rule of positive. For example, we have subject, we have verb, we have complement. Is, it is subject. Is, it's subject. Subject. The, it's verb. Ke, it's complement. But now, this is the rule of positive forms. We have a subject. What's the subject? The subject, it should be noun, pronoun, things, animals. Noun, what's the noun? Noun, it means my name, your country name, anything names, okay? And what's the pronoun? Pronoun, it means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Instead of using the name, we will use the pronoun. We have I, we, you, they, he, she, it. That's the pronoun. That is pronoun. Okay, this is pronoun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, a verb, it will be what? The verb, it will be to be. Verb to be. What's verb to be? Verb to be, it's is, are. Verb to be, it's is, are. Okay, this is present simple. For example, with I, we use I am. Okay, I am a teacher. With we use are because we have more than one person. We should say with you, with we, with they, we use are. Verb are. Okay, you are, they are, we are. Okay. With he, she, it, we use is because it's singular, one person. he is, she is, it is. Okay? Let me say the example sentence. For example, he is a student. He is a student. What's he? Where's the subject? Of course, the subject is he. It is subject. And where's the verb? Of course, is. It is verb to be. Verb to be. A student, it is complement. Complement, it means that after the verb, it means complement. He is a student. He is a student. She is a student. We are, for example, we are students. Okay? He is a student. It's a positive sentence because we have no not between the verb and the complement. It means that it's a positive sentence. This is the positive sentence. Let me explain the negative sentence. What's the negative sentence? Negative. Let me hear. Negative sentence. Negative. Okay. Negative. What's the negative sentence? Negative, it means that we just add not to the verb. We just add not to the verb. For example, we have subject plus verb plus not plus complement. Okay? Verb to be, of course, verb to be. Also, we have is, are. It's verb to be. Also, subject, it will be I, we, you, they, he, she, it. But now we will talk about he, she, it. Okay? This is including in Sunrise Unit 10. Okay? He, she, it. Also we have he. If we make this sentence to negative, how we make it? It's really easy. Okay? Where's the subject? He. It's the subject. He, subject. Okay? Where's the verb? Of course, the verb is. He is. We put not to the verb. He is not a student. He is not a student. Let me clean it. He is not a student. Okay, we put not to the verb, but is not, it's a long form. What's the short form of is not? Of course, it is isn't. Isn't, it's a short form of is not. We should say that he isn't a student. It's the negative of what? The negative of present simple. We have positive and we have negative. Okay? He isn't a student. She isn't a student. Okay? That is all in present simple. We just remain the question. Okay? The question. What's the question? Okay? Question. The question, it's really, really easy. Just that we change the verb and the subject. We change their places, okay? The verb, it will be at the beginning. The rule of a question, the verb, it will be at the beginning. And after the verb, we should have subject, okay? Subject comes after the verb. Subject comes after the verb. Of course, we have verb to be, is, are, and subject, and complement, plus question mark. Don't forget the question mark. Okay, my student? Don't forget the question mark. If we make this sentence to question, how we make it? For example, he is a student. If we make this sentence to question, how we make it? Where's the verb? The verb, of course, is. It's a verb. Is, we will write is at the beginning. Is, where's the subject? Of course, he, it's a subject. Is he, where's the complement? A student, it's a complement. Is he a student? Is he a student? But don't forget the question mark. Don't forget that, okay? If you forget your question mark, it will not be question sentence. Also, it will be positive sentence, okay? We just say, is he a student? Is he a student? That's all in present simple. I hope you will get benefit from this lesson. Okay, my student, thank you for looking.
بما